Hello Hathorians and welcome to the EVM Bridge tutorial. On the left you can see the Hathor desktop wallet in Testnet, and on the right you can see the EVM Bridge. So what we're going to do today, we're going to swap HTR to EHTR and reverse it back from EHTR back to HTR. And we're going to do this in a couple of minutes. So what we're going to do first is we're going to do HTR to EHTR. So we'll send tokens. In this output section, we're just going to put a multisig address, and this is the address the Federator's own. We're going to select one HTR, and on the data output, we're going to put our MetaMask address. So we simply just connect our wallet on the bridge, and then we go to head over to MetaMask, and then you can see we have some ETH here. We're going to copy the address over and paste it into before we send the transaction and send the tokens. I'm just going to quickly pop in my password here, and that's pretty much done. So the transaction's been sent. Now for demo purposes, we've sped the video up. The transaction does take up to roughly 10 minutes, both sides vice versa. So yeah, we're going to cut the video and resume, and here we are. So we're going to head over to claim the tokens. Now 10 minutes has passed. We simply see one HTR has popped up. We claim it, and then we confirm the transaction on MetaMask. And it's as simple as that, really. It's done. So if we head over to MetaMask now, we'll be able to see when we go to the token section that we have one EHTR. Let me just open this. Yeah, one EHTR. And now what we're going to do is we're going to reverse the process. So it says want to send tokens to Hathor. So reverse the process. We select EHTR. We put one again. And then we put in our Hathor desktop wallet address. So we just copy it over from the wallet and paste it here. And we simply press convert tokens. So now that's done. The same process applies. We confirm the transaction in gas. And then, yeah, within a few moments, we should get a notification saying that it's done, and it will take approximately 10 minutes. So give me a second, and one HTR is sent, and it takes approximately 10 minutes. Now of course, for the demo, we've sped the process up, and after 10 minutes, you should see, boom, we have received one HTR. So we've swapped one HTR to EHTR and one EHTR back to HTR. And this is a tutorial for you guys.